Lots of questions about coronavirus, including do disinfecting products like Lysol work on that virus?
There are a lot of rumors going around. Here's our senior health correspondent, Monica Robbins.
There's a lot of misinformation circulating on social media about the novel coronavirus, including this rumor. Some say that Lysol kills coronavirus. It's listed on the back of the can. Here's what you need to know. There are 6 different strains of coronavirus in humans. They've been around for years, which is why they're mentioned on the back of Lysol products. The one that's making headlines now is a brand new strain called novel coronavirus. The brand even has an entire web page devoted to the subject, explaining exactly what coronaviruses are and the range of symptoms. It says, quote, specific Lysol products have demonstrated effectiveness against viruses similar to 2019 coronaviruses on hard, non-porous surfaces in accordance with the EPA viral emerging pathogen policy. But its effectiveness on the new strain of coronavirus has not been tested or verified. The CDC says the best way to reduce your risk include washing your hands with soap and water, avoiding touching your eyes, nose, and mouth, and avoid contact with sick people. And that's verified.